Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So today I will be doing a couple reviews. I got 3 wigs: pink, white, whitish blonde, and black. So what we're doing today is I'm basically going to tell you what I like about these wigs and what I don't like. So for the black one, as you can see, is shedding. They all pretty much shed, but it's not so bad. I've had these wigs for 2-3 months now. I will link the Amazon website to it. It was sent to me to do a review, which is what I'm doing. So let's put it on. So black is usually not my color. They all have elastic bands. Black is usually not my color, but I usually would wear it when maybe doing like a Barbie photo shoot, or doing any shoot or an outfit, like an outfit that requires all black. Maybe when you wear all white, then you could do like a black fro. It's really full, so that's one thing I like about it. It's full and fluffy. So the only con I would say is that it sheds a lot, and that's pretty much it. When you're done for the day, always remember to fold it in, because it keeps the wig fluffy. Okay, you fold it in, you put the net over it, and you put it in bag. Now for the pink one, I love this wig. With this wig, you don't really have to wear it only on Halloween. You could wear it when you're trying to make a fashion statement. When I wore this wig, I used it for like a photo shoot, but it's a really nice wig. Again, it had the same problem as the black one. It sheds, but like the shedding is not so bad. So you want to fluff the wig with your hands, your fingers, and if you rather, you could just do this and everything falls into place. And that's about it. I don't have a mirror in front of me because I'm shooting outside, coming to you guys from LA. So let's go to the last wig that we have. This one, I love this one. This one is one of my favorite. Well, the brown ones were my favorite, and then this one. This is really nice. As you can see, you could just fluff it like this before you put it on. The beautiful thing about fro wigs is that you don't really have to do too much. You don't even need a mirror, really. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. You don't really need a mirror. You could kind of like just fix it and kind of like fluff, and then just pat it. Not like pat it like really hard, but just like a little patting, and that's it. So I will be linking the description. In the description, I'll be linking where I got this wigs from, the seller. It's very affordable, and the customer service is really nice. They get back to you really quick, and you wouldn't have any problem when you buy from this particular girl that sells it. Okay, thank you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Let me see what else you would like me to do reviews on. I'm mostly doing hair, but like if you would like me to do any other thing, please let me know. I will also be linking my IG handle for those of you that would like to DM me with any suggestions. I will love it. This jersey is from relationshipessentials.com. If you want to get one, he sells a couple of other things. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.